nervous and a bit shaky at the moment. So, how'd they find out Princess Diana had dandruff?
How you doing, man? What is going on down there, man?
I'm 20. My name's Caden. I want to tell you some dark humour jokes today. I'm a little nervous and a bit shaky at the moment. So, how'd they find out Princess Diana had dandruff? They found her head and shoulders on the dashboard. What's the difference between a gay man and a refrigerator? The refrigerator doesn't fart when you pull your meat out. What did Cinderella do when she got to the ball? She gagged. And don't laugh if you love cancer.
Fuck you, man. No, that was funny. That was good. That was good.
That counts as a laugh, yeah?
Yeah, it does.
That's all. Thank you. Thank you so much.